Are you looking for a flatter stomach? You're not alone. According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, non-invasive fat reduction treatments have been the fastest growing cosmetic procedure in the past year, with 20% more people signing up to slim down. One of the newest non-surgical body sculpting treatments is called truSculpt ID. And joining us to tell us all about it is Washington, D.C. plastic surgeon, Dr. Michael Somenek. Thank you for joining us, doctor.
Thanks for having me.
Yes. So, truSculpt ID, it is clinically proven to permanently eliminate fat cells around the abdomen. Tell me, how does that happen? What's the technology as we look at before and after photos?
Yeah, so this is an innovative radiofrequency technology that is able to selectively target fat and heat it up. So that heating technology is able to destroy, permanently eliminate fat cells over the course of weeks to months after your treatment, leading to an improved contour to the areas that we treat.
Wow, and you can see in the before and after photos that it's really a very visible difference. Now, it can even eliminate fat cells in areas that are resistant to diet and exercise. You know, sometimes we're doing the right exercises, we're eating the way we're supposed to be eating, but those certain areas just are not targeted. How can you target it with this?
That's right. This is the perfect treatment for someone that's really optimized their diet and exercise regimen. And so the idea behind truSculpt ID is that it individualizes the treatment. There are 6 individual paddles that we can apply consecutively throughout different treated areas. So if you need abdomen and the flanks or the love handles treated, we can treat those areas simultaneously in one 15-minute treatment.
Wow, and I know we're going to look at some video of a patient actually getting the treatment.
Right.
Can you tell us about getting the treatment? Like, does it hurt? What does it feel like? And I heard it only takes like 15 minutes to get this done.
That's right. And so you can see in the treatment someone has the paddles or the accessories on their abdominal area. And in one 15-minute treatment, this is a non-invasive, zero downtime treatment.
Wow.
You can, in fact, go to the gym later that day after this.
Wow.
And the patient experience is actually quite comfortable with this. It feels like a hot stone massage. Most people in my office have had this, and we can all attest that it is a very comfortable treatment to get.
Wow. Well, I love a hot stone massage.
I know, we all do.
This has some good benefits. So who is the ideal patient for getting this? Who is going to see results?
This is really ideal for somebody that has optimized their diet and exercise regimen and has some stubborn areas that they just cannot get rid of, despite really optimizing their lifestyle. So I think some of the most common areas that people have are their abdominal area, the love handles. No matter how thin somebody is sometimes, they can still have a little bit of residual fat there. It is not meant for someone that's looking for massive weight loss. Right? And that's what's so essential about the consultation, is that we can really identify certain areas that would be most appropriately treated with truSculpt ID.
Right. So if you've got weight loss goals and you're kind of far away, you want to achieve those first before doing something like this.
Sure, and we discuss that with you and make sure that we get you to your goal and then really optimize further with truSculpt.
Right. I feel like every day on TV we're hearing about new fat sculpting treatments. So many out there. How is truSculpt ID different from everything else? What do you think?
So in contrast to some of the competitors that are using the freezing technology, this is using heat. And we know that that heat selectively destroys fat cells. On the studies that we did, we can get up to 24% reduction in one single treatment.
Wow.
And that is like nothing else out there right now with zero downtime.
Right. And tell me about the results. So you want to continue eating well and living a healthy life after you get this treatment to maintain your results? Absolutely.
I mean, this is part of a healthy lifestyle regimen. Once you get to your goal and you get those minor refinements and body contours that you've been looking to get, you really want to maintain that.
Right. Okay, what I want to know is how much is this going to cost if I want to sign up for this?
The million-dollar question. But you know, as we all know, it really varies per geography and provider.
Okay.
But really, on average, it's about $2,500 per treatment per area.
Okay, and I've heard a lot of people can be treated in as little as one treatment. In your experience, is it taking one treatment? Is it taking more than one treatment for your patients?
I think if we can get you up to 24% reduction in one treatment, we reassess. We wait a full 12 to 16 weeks and really determine if you need an additional treatment.
Okay, well, I think I might want to start saving my pennies for this treatment, and you might want to as well. So if you're interested in truSculpt ID, you can visit trusculpt.com for more info and to find a provider near you. Of course, Dr. Somenek is offering it here in Washington, D.C., so you can go to his office. And Let's Talk Live continues after the break.